Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best AI tools for YouTube and also content creation in general. Now, I am on my AI Insider Tips YouTube channel, and if you appreciate, some videos and AI tips and tricks like this one, feel free to subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment. If there's any, AI tools that you want me to review or just any AI tutorials that you guys want to see, let me know in the comments below or reach out to me. So the first tool I want to tell you guys about is called Opus Clip. I do have a dedicated tutorial on Opus Clip, and I'll leave that in the video description below. But why Opus Clip is so beneficial for YouTube and general content creation is it takes a long form video and chops it up into 15 to 20 shareable video clips that you can then upload to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook, TikTok, and any other social media platform where short form clips tend to perform pretty well. Now I'll leave a link to opus.pro in the description below as well. You can try it for free. I'll leave a link and you can try it for free. But what you would do, guys, is I am logged into an account on Opus Clip, so I'll just go ahead and open my project here. If I open my project, what you'll see is all you have to do is give it a link to a YouTube video, and then in a matter of about 15 or 20 minutes, Opus Clip will chop up that long form video into about 20 clips, and it also provides a virality score here. So it ranks it based on what the algorithm thinks will have a chance to go the most viral on social media. So this one, it gave it a 99 virality score up top here. This post has performed decent on social media, but you can download it straight from the produced clips. You can edit it, schedule it, link it with your social media accounts. And why this is so important, in my opinion, is it eliminates the hassle of taking video into a video editing software, not only taking the time to find the clips within a long form video, but also reformatting them in a vertical format, and also adding engaging subtitles with emojis, with power words, and many other features that Opus Clip can help streamline this process. Now, they do offer a free trial, as I do have about an hour and a half worth of free video content that it can chop up. So I would highly recommend you guys at least try this for free by using a long form video that you have at your disposal. So that's that's AI tool number one is Opus Clip. AI tool number two is obviously ChatGPT. Now, there's so many things that you can do with ChatGPT to help with YouTube, whether that is title generation, ideation in general. So if I want to say something like, I'm going to do this on the fly with you guys. I'm going to say I have a YouTube channel called AI Insider Tips. Please help me with video ideas about AI tips and tricks. And what this is going to do is it's going to just provide me with straight ideation on some videos that I can create for AI tips, tutorials, news, whatever. It says right here, AI for beginners series. That might be a pretty good idea. AI tool tutorials. So going into specific AI tools and doing tutorials on those. AI in industries, AI project walkthroughs, AI career advice, AI ethics, did you know, AI fact series, AI case studies, AI demos, AI news. As you can see, all sorts of ideas just coming from ChatGPT, and a lot of people underutilize this, in my opinion, just for ideation alone. In addition to ideation, I can also ask ChatGPT, provide me YouTube video and descriptions for, if I could type here, guys, for my latest YouTube video about, let's do ChatGPT, let's do OpenAI Dev Day recap. And let's see what it comes up with here. But here it goes. It gives me ideas for a YouTube title. It gives me ideas for a video description. It even provides timestamps. Now, timestamps are becoming kind of a factor in the YouTube algorithm as well. And I can say something like, great, thank you. Now, can you also provide me with tags? And then it's still generating here. So I'm going to say stop generating and say, great, thank you. Can you also provide me with tags? And it's going to say, certainly, tags are essential for YouTube SEO, and it's blah, blah, blah. And here we go. It's giving me tags right here. Now, it isn't a SQL format, so I'm not really sure about that, but I should be able to just copy and paste this and drop it into YouTube when I'm uploading. So this is cool how it just provides me with tags, ideation. timestamps, description, and title. And if I even wanted to, guys, what you can do is you can create thumbnails. So I have a whole dedicated tutorial that talks about creating thumbnails inside ChatGPT using DALL-E 3. So, I mean, here's an example here, if just an example of a YouTube thumbnail that I was making in the past. Again, I have a whole tutorial, so I'm not going to do it in this video, but ChatGPT is another underutilized tool that is great for YouTube and content creation. The next AI tool for YouTube and content creation is called Runway ML. This is a text-to-video generator. There are other tools out there, like InVideo is kind of the big player in this, but the quality was never there in my opinion. So if you go to runwayml.com, you can try it for free. So I actually have an account, so I'll click log in here. And it'll take me straight to my account. And then it is a little confusing here on the dashboard, but if you just want to play around with it to start with your free account, on the left here, you have videos. You can click generate video, and then it will say start with an image or start with text. I would click start with text, so you can do a text to video generation. And then you'll have some options here, image and description or image. I'm just going to leave it on text, and I'm going to say, create me a video in outer space looking at planet Earth. And what this is going to do is you'll see it has generate 4 seconds. So up top here, I have 105 seconds left. I am on the free trial. So it is going to make me a 4-second video. So if you want to change this, I believe you need to upgrade to the greater plan here. General motion. I'm going to leave this on 4. You can upgrade some of these settings here, like seed. I'm not really sure what this means, to be completely honest. You can upscale, remove watermark. You have to upgrade to do that. You have to upgrade to upscale. I would just leave these default settings as is, and then click generate. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sit here and wait while this video is being queued, and we'll start in approximately seconds here. So as you'll see, it is now generating, and I'll skip ahead after this video is complete. All right, so after Runway ML created this video, here is what it produced. So now I'm going to click play, and I'm very curious to see what this looks like. And guys, again, this is purely AI generated video. Now, it is only 4 seconds because I am on the free plan, and I'm very limited to the outputs that I can get. But regardless, look at how high quality this is of Runway ML, and I will eventually upgrade to their higher tier plan. But just wanted to give you an example here. Now, you can get more sophisticated in the prompt down here. So if I wanted to say, create me a video in outer space looking at planet Earth, please make the video cinematic and realistic, show asteroids, spaceships, and other planets in the background. And I'm just showing you some more sophistication here, and click generate 4 seconds. And now let's wait what it can provide with this more sophisticated prompt. So if I click view latest, again, it's going to take a little bit to generate this. So I'm going to wait and then skip ahead after this is complete, just to show you guys what Runway ML can produce. All right, guys, so here is the video that Runway ML created from this more sophisticated prompt, where I asked it to make it more cinematic, realistic, and other aspects like asteroids, spaceships, and planets, etc. So not bad. It is 4 seconds because I am on the free plan, of course. But you can get this as sophisticated as you want. And if you have the paid or premium version, the more sophisticated and longer these videos will look. So Runway ML is another one of the best tools, AI tools for YouTube and content creation. Now, guys, the fourth AI tool for content creation in YouTube that I want to tell you about is called TubeSpanner. Now, again, TubeSpanner also has a free plan. Like most AI tools, it's going to be very limited, and you're going to be prompted to upgrade if you want to get more features and functionalities. But what's cool about TubeSpanner is you'll see this toolbox area where all these things that it can do. This is designed for YouTube content creation in particular, and what made this tool so popular is its AI script generator. So if I click AI script generator, you're going to get this script wizard, and it says enter the title of the video script you want to create. So I'm going to say best AI tools for YouTube, which is the title of this video. I'm going to click create, and guys, I am not using a script for this video or really any of my videos. I try to do this off the fly and what I would think of if I'm going through this myself in my head. But what it's going to do is it's going to say researching subject, and then it's going to take a little bit to generate a script, say generating user phrases, and I'm going to skip ahead after this part is complete. All right, so here's what TubeSpanner came back with this script generator, and it says best AI tools for YouTube. That's what I provided. And here's the intro here. So it says introduction, section length 34 seconds. So I like this breakdown on the right. It even gives an estimated recording time of 5 minutes. And it says vidIQ. So this is tool number 1, TubeBuddy, Hootsuite, Lumen 5, Canva, and then our sponsor if you have a sponsored section, and also a conclusion or outro. So pretty cool, guys. Obviously some of these tools are legit. TubeBuddy, for example, is a very legitimate tool for YouTube. But you have to plug and play with this. I wouldn't talk about Lumen 5, and I wouldn't talk about our sponsor. So some of this is not always going to be applicable. But guys, TubeSpanner, if you're looking for ideas just for a script, if you want to read a script and you're doing a faceless YouTube channel, this is a great option for that. Now, if I go back to the dashboard of TubeSpanner, there are some other options here that make it a great option for YouTube and content creation. You can even add, a thumbnail. So it has a YouTube thumbnail. You can upload images, background removal, video script templates. So instead of just the AI script generator, there are script templates already available from TubeSpanner. You can get new video ideas. Now, I would recommend using ChatGPT for this too, just for ideation. Thumbnail gallery, so it has a cool thumbnail gallery, smart replies, which helps with YouTube comments, planner, scheduled posts, and all of these other different features that are designed to help you with YouTube content creation. But that's it, guys. Just wanted to make this video about the best AI tools for YouTube and content creation in general. Again, this is Ryan with AI Insider Tips. Appreciate you all watching this video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below if there's anything AI related you want me to cover. Appreciate you all watching this video, and I hope you all have a great day.